Alright, so today I'm working on 2-bedroom bungalow in Basingstoke. As you can see, this is the original color of the carpet that was bought on this side for the wheelchair. As we walk in, we've got a little entrance which is heavily soiled all over, especially where the kitchen is. Then we're moving to the lounge. As we walk in, I don't know if you can see on that video, but those carpets are heavy soiled and there are sorts of different stains on them. Also, the structure of the carpets is not supporting at all because, as you can see, those fibers are pretty compact and they're gonna actually keep the water like a sponge. So another challenge is this property got maybe 10 degrees right now, the temperature. We've got the wall radiators which not functioning at all. They're old style electric radiators. So I can't turn the heating on. I have to use the portable heaters to make sure we're gonna reach the temperature in this property that will allowing me to dry those carpets properly. Otherwise those carpets gonna keep the moisture and they're gonna turn into the moldy, stinky thing. Then we've got a bedroom and we've got the other bedroom. So this is really challenging job and the right procedure has to be followed. Otherwise this carpet is never gonna be clean as they should, and that's gonna end up in financial problems for the owner if I do them in the wrong way. So let's do it and I show you the process and the final results. All the fibers has been opened widely by the vacuum, so I'm happy about the results because now I can pre-spray properly those carpets and I'm sure that the solution is gonna deeply penetrate the fibers. They look absolutely amazing already. So now I've got my solution ready. There are two products mixed in here. One is the booster, which is actually going to speed up the process of cleaning to make sure I will achieve as best results as possible. And I'm gonna massage this solution into the fibers of the carpet by this CRB contra-rotating brush machine, which is going to help massage the solution into those fibers as best as possible to make sure we are going to get those carpets looks amazing again. gentlemen. So I didn't extract that carpet yet, but by the fact that the procedure been followed and I didn't miss any steps, and I of course spent my time to do this properly. I've got carpets which looks way better already. The agitation process has been done, and now I will let those solutions sit for like 10-15 minutes